me!
In north-central Illinois until 1 a.m. At 8:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms.
Just issue a whole flash flood warning for the entire area at this point.
Between 1 and 2.5 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the Warren area. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding. Source: radar. Impact: rapid onset flooding of creeks, streams, drainage ditches, streets, underpasses, low-lying areas, and other poor drainage areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Byron, Oregon, Mount Morris, Polo, Davis Junction, Forreston, Stillman Valley, Lost Nation, Leaf River, Grand Detour, Adeline, Chana, Woosung, and Baileyville. A flash flood warning means rapid onset flooding is imminent or may already be occurring. Persons along creeks, drainage ditches, and other waterways should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A severe thunderstorm warning remains in effect until